So we're putting the post pieces together here. What we did was we drilled a hole about 2 inches deep, sometimes 3 inches, ½ inch, and we have ½ inch dowel rod. So what we did is I'm caulking it, putting the dowel rod in, and making sure I use quite a bit of caulk. And then I'm going to flip this over. And I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but ideally, we're going to get it on there. There we go. And then we're going to rotate it until we feel it's the straightest, because not everything's perfect. And we'll look at it from all different sides. I'd say that looks pretty good. And then the top of it, we also drilled a hole. And I have to cut the dowel here and then caulk it. But then this will go on top of there, which is also drilled, and then it'll look more like this. And then I will go around and caulk all these seams once I get everything straight, everything plumbed up, and that'll help stabilize it. And you can see over here a couple that are already in.